all Scratch projects start like this, with one sprite and a blank screen. In making my program, I chose to have a different background. So over here you can see that I went to the outdoors and I found the background that I wanted, which was a playing field. Okay. After that, what I did was I wanted to change my sprite. So I don't really want that little guy because it's about lions, so lions roar. So I went and found the lion that I wanted for my program. And here she is. And my lion was put right in the center. So I'm going to put her over here. Now, "We roar" is the tagline for my school. So one of the things that I had to do was add the words "We roar," which eventually turns out to be multiple sprites. Okay, now that I have my phrasing the way I like it, the goal here is to get my lion to move across and to vocalize "we roar" and with a lion sound. In order to make things happen, I have to let them know that when the flag is clicked, something's going to happen. So what I like to do is use the repeat and forever. So I'm going to use forever here. I'm going to add in some motion for my character. She is going to glide a few steps from where she is right now. Okay. Going to have her not do anything until the she is going to wait until the right arrow key is pressed. So here she's going to wait until I'm going to tell it the right arrow key. Right arrow is pressed. And then it's going to play the sound that I have previously recorded. She is going to move and it's going to vocalize the "we" sound as I previously recorded those until it's done. Then I'm going to have it wait just a second so that the sounds don't blend together. She is going to again wait until the right arrow key is pressed. After it is pressed, the line will again glide forward and it will play the sound. This time it's going to say the word roar. Again, I'm going to have it then play the sound. The actual lion's roar, but I'm going to increase that sound, increase your volume in between there. I'm going to make that not -10, but 10. And again, I don't want her to do anything until the player actually tells them by pressing a key. Oops, sorry. And at that point, she's going to actually go back to where she was. Nope. I'm going to bring this. She is going to go back to her original location. So this isn't all. Let's just, as you hit the key, okay, so I need to get her to actually move. So I need to go back in and make sure that I get her to glide. I think I need to check my spacing. I'm going to go to 40. I'm going to go to 86, which is where she is right now. Right arrow pressed. It'll play the sound we. Wait a moment. When the right arrow is pressed again, she should glide to here, which is going to be 240 and -33. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so let's try that again and see what happens. Uh-oh. Well, that's not exactly where I wanted her. That's 46, -23. Okay, get back here. 1, 5, 125. Try that again. we roar. And then she's going to go back to her original place. Roar. But I also want it to be stated that if the left arrow key is pressed, so I'm going to tell it left, that what will happen, get in here for the control. So if that is pressed, it's going to play a new sound, which is going to just be a plop sound or water drop. I can scroll down here. The water droplet. Okay, go back to scripts, and it's going to play the sound water drop. Nope, we're just going to play the water drop. And I'm going to have her glide back to her beginning location, which if I look here, get the beginning location. Perfect. So that way, if I click it, and I hit the back arrow, she doesn't do anything. Roar. So I get the back arrow when we roar. That way she goes back to the beginning and you have to start again. So on the final project page, point here is that it's just we roar. We roar. Okay, just a little get things moving. First project in Scratch, and there we go.